Hey YouTube, this is Jason with South Fork Customs. I want to show you a little something I made. It is a chainsaw chop mill. Got a real big saw there, really super powered. See if we can take that tape off, get some sponsorship. Got a 60-inch bar, and I've attached it to this old boat motor, a transom piece, pivot piece, and you can just move it over on this little rail I've got and screw it onto these upright poles. You can make a real nice cut across there on a stump or a burl or something like that, and then make you a mark, move it over, you know, whatever thickness you want, and make that slab cut. Works really great. Just got this saw about a year ago. Made some cuts with it, about six or so, and wanted to share with you this nice little chop mill I've made. In the next video, I'm going to chop up a nice white oak burl. Like and subscribe. Leave comments. And next time we'll do a little cut. Thanks for watching.